How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Dogecoin update. I'm Louis Crypto, and hopefully having a good beginning to this new week. We're starting to see signs of reversal. Now, this key level of support held throughout the weekend, and so this is forming a double bottom now. It's not yet technically valid. We need to see the neckline recovered. I really like that the 200 EMA sits there as well. This could be seen as a positive if the neckline is recovered. Otherwise, you could argue this is exactly where it's going to reject and start heading down lower. The reason why we could maybe start to get a little bit excited, maybe have the belief that this is going to be the bullish reversal candlestick pattern that invalidates the bearish head and shoulders target down over here. It just needs to simply take out the neckline and the 200 EMA, and you would then argue that the moving average long-term trend is bullish once again, but you've also seen in that process the validation of a short-term bullish pattern with the target pretty much around this general area, the previous high. So that would see at that point, getting up to that price point, all the moving averages recovered, as well as the neckline of the bearish pattern. By recovering this neckline, the target down over here is invalidated. So even though, of course, the liquidation event meant that we now have a target at the last low due to this head and shoulders pattern, there's still a way at avoiding that target, and that is with this newly formed double bottom down here, breaking past 21 cents. So Dogecoin has a plan. We have a plan for Dogecoin this week, and that is for it to break past 21 cents or round it up to 22 cents, because that's where the 200 EMA is. So by successfully doing so, we're going to see a further move back up, which would see all the moving averages recovered. And that would turn the moving average trend bullish and have the bearish pattern invalidated, so that we're no longer expecting this low. This is only going to happen so long as Bitcoin continues its rally. That is what is giving the altcoins a relief rally today. Hopefully that continues over the next days. Stay tuned on the channel, like, subscribe, comment, and share if you haven't already. If you wanted to learn my strategy, use the links down below. Take action on this 30% discount while it lasts until Friday the 7th of November. This can be applied to my Discord, ebook, or one-to-one mentorship plans. So check them out, and I'll see you over there.